Okay, so I've been going down a rabbit hole on humanoid robots, and honestly, I think we're closer to a real shift than most people realize. Tesla is trying to build 100,000 Optimus units. Figure is already putting robots on BMW factory floors. And China is shipping 10 times more humanoid robots than the US right now. 10 times. Here's what actually blew my mind. These robots aren't being programmed step by step anymore. They're trained in virtual simulation gyms. Millions of practice reps in a digital world before they ever touch a real object. It's basically how I'd want to learn things if I could. And the whole robots are coming for your job thing, I think it's more nuanced. A real near-term story is cobots. Robots designed to work alongside humans, not replace them. At least for now. My take? The robot revolution is already happening. It's just happening in factories first, not living rooms. And this is basically a new kind of Cold War. Not missiles, robots. The question isn't just who builds more. It's who builds smarter. I'll be watching that race closely.